everybody, this is Natasha Advani here, a life coach trainer and an energy healer. Today let me give you natural ways on people to get sound sleep. Natural ways to get sound sleep and people also who are suffering from insomnia. But why do people have insomnia? Because they have a lot of negative thoughts in the body, negative feelings. They keep worrying about the future, what's going to happen, and they think about the past. They don't forgive people who've hurt them. But we have to just learn to let go. It's very important to let go. Another thing is, how is your room environment? It has to be very peaceful. Put pastel bed sheets, pastel colors, have more soothing effects. And another important thing is, put salt on four corners of your house, as salt releases a lot of negative energy. It's very good. Another tip is, you can put very soothing music, which calms the mind and you feel very good. That's very important. Another thing you can do is just, some people read before they go to sleep, and while reading also they can go to sleep, and if the important tip is, before sleeping you can do so hum, that exercise of deep breathing where you can do, and it's very effective as it clears, it energizes oxygen in the brain and you feel more peaceful and you want to go to sleep. So this is very important to have sound sleep. And very important is, before sleeping, don't see too much TV or not too much killing that come, or any negative things, because if we see anything scary or too much killing, war, our conscious mind is seeing it, but when we go to sleep our subconscious mind is absorbed all that you have seen, and then you feel stressed and you don't feel good about yourself. So don't see lot of TV. Another important tip is that on your mobile phone and iPad, don't put it in the bedroom, as the rays are very bad for health. Okay, so please don't put your mobile phone, iPads or laptop in the bedroom. Just keep it outside the bedroom, and once you get up you can always take it. Because the electromagnetic rays are very harmful. It has been said that people have got cancer because of that also, because it's really not good for the body. So please try these tips and let me know. And I do a lot of sessions on access bars, which deals in insomnia or people not getting good sleep, and various alternative therapy techniques that help you to get more sound sleep. So for more tips you can contact me on hello@natashaadvani.com, and please see my website on www.natashaadvani.com, and please subscribe for my YouTube channel, Natasha Advani Life Coach, and do share this video with your family and friends. Thank you.